4 absolute must-try snacks when you come to Mongolia. Number 1 is yevon. Yevon is a soft cookie with a brown sugar filling, and it is so addictive. Number 2 is jimst. Jimst is a mini pastry with a sweet jam filling that you will not be able to get enough of. Number 3 is curd. This is a little bit more controversial, but it is very addicting if you can acquire the taste. And number 4 is bortsuk. This is a twisted fried dough that is subtly sweet and so good. Follow us for more Mongolia tips.